Welcome back to my channel. Today we are spicing things up, but we're going to take it up a notch with these world hottest peppers. These are scorpion peppers I have grown in my backyard. So we're going to make some delicious, flavorful pepper sauce today. So stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into it. So I have this tree in my backyard. My friend actually gave me the plant. It's scorpion pepper. You see, look at tail. Looks like the little scorpion tail. This is the hottest pepper in the world, and you don't even need a pinch of it, because one pepper will spoil your whole pot. But it's so flavorful. So I'm gonna make this pepper sauce. Very easy, simple pepper sauce. I'm sure this sauce is gonna last for years, because all I need to do is just dip the fork in it and slide it right back out, or the spoon. You don't even actually need the pepper itself, because unless you love pepper, that's fine. But like I said, it's so easy to make, and that's what we're gonna make today. Just picking them off. I'm gonna actually mix them with some pepper I got at the farmer's market. These are actually habaneros, or sometimes you're looking for Scotch bonnet and you can't find Scotch bonnet. They're called habaneros. The other peppers, they come in red, the green like that. I'm using about 20 stalks of scallion. I'm using about 20 pieces of garlic, just 20 garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of pimento seeds. I'm using about a teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of sugar, and I'm using half a cup of vinegar. But like I said, this is going to be hot. You can modify your recipe if you like, but this, you can put this on anything. I won't need to buy pepper for years, because like I said, this actually gave me about a 1.5 mason jar, about the 16-ounce mason jar of pepper. So when I cut this up, it was about 4 cups of pepper is what it, the amount right here. So you can see it's a lot of pepper. So if you love pepper, you love this. I actually have another recipe if you want to make like the escabeche, the pickle sauce. You can scroll down and do the same. Just pickle it in a jar with like onions and carrots and chocho and other things. So that's another option. And then if you're looking for, I also have my green seasoning. I don't put a lot of pepper in the green seasoning, because it's like that all-purpose seasoning I use on everything. That's also on my channel. You can scroll down. And if you're interested in getting my kitchen tools, I love gold. I actually have a gold section on my Amazon storefront, all my kitchen gold finds. And I'll leave all the links in my description box so you can scroll down and see. And make sure you're also following me on Instagram at theraina's kitchen. I'm also on TikTok at theraina's kitchen. I'm also on Twitter. I'm on Facebook. And while we're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And tell me if you like these recipes. Tell me what else you like for me to make. What have you tried? I get a lot of feedback, and I answer them as quick as I can. And so yeah, keep the comments coming, the questions, anything. I'm here. So yeah, like I said, this was about 4 cups of pepper. And yeah, hot. Oh my, I wish you could smell it. Like I said, it's so flavorful. I know there's so many different peppers I've tried, like the chocolate pepper, and well, we already know it's a Scotch bonnet hot. The peppers in Jamaica are actually different from the ones here in the States. But yeah, the garlic and the scallion basically just balancing out everything, and the vinegar is gonna preserve it, so it's gonna last. It's not gonna go bad. All right, so keep watching. All right, and as far as a blender, I'm using my Vitamix. You can actually use a food processor, or if you want to, I've seen people use different things to make their sauce. You can, whatever you have on hand, but I'm just using my blender. You can blend it as coarse as you'd like, or you can, puree it out, and yeah, so whatever texture you like, you can just, stop the blender. So don't say, okay, I'm blending it for a minute or two. Just blend it to the coarseness as much as you like it, okay? All right, and yeah, as far as if you're looking for a Vitamix or a real good blender, these are also on my Amazon storefront. But you know, Black Friday coming up, you know, right after, as soon as October hit, you'll see all these great sales. So I got this on, yeah, right here on my Amazon storefront. You can grab the same blender, or like I said, you can actually use a food processor. I'm gonna smooth this out a little. Because, like I said, if you can smell the aroma, and make sure you are wearing gloves. I actually get my gloves from Golden Protective Services. They always send me some nice, these gloves are so nice and durable. I love them. I don't have to change them throughout my cooking process. I just, you know, just wash my hands off is what I always end up doing. But yeah, but as soon as I was finished with this pepper, I was those gloves went straight in the garbage. But like I said, you can put this on anything. You can put this in your meal. You don't even need to go buy no more Scotch bonnet pepper after this. All right, so let me know, like I said, once you try it. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.